how to blur face in CapCut. So if you want to blur face in CapCut, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your CapCut application. After opening your CapCut, go with a new project. Select the video. Once you've selected the video, now what you need to do is just select the video again. And then on the bottom, you'll have copy option. You need to copy or just simply tap on overlay. Go with the right side, which has that plus icon. Select the same video again, and you will have the video right here. So you need to select the second video or the copied video. And here on the bottom, you will have the overlay option. Tap on overlay. Now you need to drag it. Once you've dragged, now go back. And now you need to search for effects. Tap on effects. Go with video effects. And here you need to search for blur effect. Once you search, you need to tap on the blur effect. Tap on adjust. Adjust the blur and then go with tick. Now drag the blur and add it to the whole video. Now you need to go back and then click on the overlay that you've added. And once you've selected the overlay, now here on the bottom, you will have an option of mask. You need to tap on mask. Once you find it, on the bottom right, you will have mask. You need to tap on it and go and select the circle mask and adjust it. Once you've adjusted, now go with invert, which will be on the bottom left. And that's it. As you can see, that the face has been blurred in CapCut. Go with the tick which is on the bottom. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.